Hello guys, welcome back to the live stream. Welcome back all. Ashwa, love, how back everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we have PPI news coming in just 10 minutes. I am neutral for the PPI data because uh, it feels like the data will be neutral. There will be no change in the data. It will be near to the forecast, like exactly at the forecast level, like 0.3%. I hope because yesterday the CPI data was also neutral and PPI is uh, almost 60% to 70% is linked with the CPI data. So I think PPI will be neutral as well. We have two important data. One is PPI headline, other is the core PPI. The PPI MOM is 0.2% and the forecast is 0.2% and the core PPI is 0.3%. It feels like the core PPA will be the 0.3% and the PPA data will be, yeah, it can be 0.2%, but the most important data is core PPI. If the data is actual, then the forecast, then it is good for currency and bearish for gold. And if the data is lower than the forecast, it is bullish for gold. But it seems like we will have neutral data today. PPI actually means Producer Price Index. It is related to the companies in the United States, the companies who have filed their price indexes to the FED, the central banks. This data is related to the companies, the multi-million dollar companies in the United States. So I am neutral for today's data. That's why I have completely different strategy for today's PPI move. I will prefer to wait for the first minute bullish candle or bearish candle, whatever it is. Then I will wait for the liquidity sweep and then I will find out the entry point at the demand and supply zone. This is my plan. For example, if the price leaves a big wick to the downside, or in either case, if it leaves a big wick to the upside and then gives us a pullback. In both cases, if the price gives us the pullback after the big bullish move or big bearish move, then we will wait for the supply and demand zone. For example, this is supply zone, then we will take the entry here. And we will also wait for the fair value gaps. We can take the entry in those levels. This is my plan. The stop loss is at break even for our previous trade and the target is 4348. I hope we will reach 4348. If the data is neutral today, the gold will go down after taking the stop losses on either sides. Dear stars, the plan has been shared. If the stop loss at break even hit, we will leave this entry. because we have the data coming in just 8 minutes. The PPA data is just coming in 8 minutes. We will wait for the liquidity sweep on either side. Then we can look for the entries at the supply and demand zones. Everyone must like the stream, guys. Share it with your friends. लाइक करो भाई दबा के, शेयर करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ फटाफट, ताकि अच्छा सिग्नल बन सके हमारे लिए आज. Usually, the second week of every month is slow because the second week of every month is full of news, full of CPI and PPI data, everything like that. NFP, PPI, CPI, all data from the United States released in the second month of every month, second week of every month. So that's why for every month, the second week is the most critical one to trade. Once we are done with this week, in the next week, I think we can grab 4,000 pips or 5,000 pips very easily, just like the previous week. We have grabbed almost 4,500 pips in profits in the past week. And I think in this week we are up by 2,500 pips probably. Okay, in just 4 minutes, the data is releasing. Hope for the best. We have stop loss at break even, guys. Make sure to do that. We will take entry according to the situations. We will not rush into the entry. Make sure to like it. Welcome back, Chilinda Kurt. Welcome back. Okay, I just saw the order block here. We have a big order block at this position, and the PPI is just releasing in 2 minutes. Make your fingers ready. But yeah, make sure to enter on my call. Don't take the entry by just being FOMO. The price will take the stop losses on both sides. I will wait for at least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. Yeah, for the price to come normal after the PPI. All right, Nisar, bro. I will speak loudly whenever the time of the entry. Perfect. 4391. Only 1 minute left, guys. Sorry, 10 seconds left. Go for the best. Just 5 seconds more. Okay, we have the data now. The data is seems to be bullish, but yeah, it is still loading on our end. Let's see. Well, unemployment claims are less than the forecast. Sorry, higher than the forecast. Okay, liquidity sweep, supply zone tested. All the price just tested the supply zone in front of our eyes, and we are just waiting for the data. If the price is rejected from supply zone, that means the data is neutral. It's still pending. Forex factory is not showing me. All show me, bro. 4394 4401. Okay, the core PPI data is less than the forecast. Is less than forecast. That's ridiculous. If the price comes back to this supply zone, we can enter in sell trade at 4401 with a very tight stop loss of 4409. If the price comes back to this level, because we have just witnessed the liquidity sweep of those who are in early sells, and now I think the price will do the liquidity sweep of buyers. Then I think at the pullback we can take the entry, the supply zone with a tight stop loss, and the targets will be the same. Let's see if the price can give us a pullback. Okay, the core PPI data is slightly less than the forecast. It is 0.2%. We have just seen that if the actual data is greater than forecast, it is good for currency. And that means the lower data is not good for currency, it is good for gold. So the gold should go up. Uh, that's why I think this is just a liquidity sweep of the buyers. And the PPI data is also less than the forecast. We have actual data greater than forecast is good for currency, and the actual data is less than the forecast, and it is significantly less than the forecast. It is 0.0%. So it is also bullish for gold, but the gold is dumping. Seems like it is going to take the stop losses. Yes, it is coming back. Seems like the stop loss has been triggered for the buyers. Let's come back to the 5 minute time frame. It's going to give us some better analysis. Price is coming back. I think we can welcome back Indian government. Any bhai back? Yes, we can see we have liquidity sweep on both sides. The buyers have been taken out, the sellers have been taken out, especially the early sellers. Now, but if we see the data, it is bullish for gold, but the price is going down. So taking the entry at supply zone seems to be risky, but we can try with tight stop loss and small entries. Can try that. Okay, we can take the entry here at this moment. We can also take the entry here at this moment because on my other chart I found out one entry point. We can also take the entry here. Four, 3, 9, 2. This order has been triggered. I am in the trade at 4392, writing the signal in the group as well. Okay, we just hit our TP1. Nice, nice drop. TP1 just hit and come back to our 5 minute time frame. I have given the signal in the written form in VIP group. You guys can also join the VIP group for free, where I have given every level, every entry point and take profit level in detail. I think the final TP can be 4353 for this swing low, 4364. It is not too much far away. 4386 has also been taken. The stop loss should be at break even, brother. For the early entries at 4392, the stop loss should be at break even. Because of liquidity sweep, Akhil, liquidity sweep is the reason. Remember this rule: whenever price takes the liquidity of buyers for the first time, like the early sellers, आसान अल्फाज में समझाता हूँ. जब भी तुम प्राइस को देखोगे कि वो लिक्विडिटी स्वीप कर रही है सेलर्स का पहले, तो प्राइस बाय में जाएगी. और जब भी प्राइस जो है वो लिक्विडिटी स्वीप कर रही है बायर्स का पहले, तो वो सेल में जाएगी. तो अभी यही हुआ है, बायर्स की लिक्विडिटी स्वीप होगी पहले, अब प्राइस जो है वो सेल में जाएगी. Okay, we have two TPs taken. I hope it should go down. It should go down now. We want it to go down. It should give us the 4370 at least. Whereas we can put the stop at break even, and we have another entry at 4397, which is pending. This can be a pending order, 43971. Make sure to like the stream, guys. I hope it is going down. It is going down to take our TPs. The final TP can be still the previous from the previous signal which I shared, which is 4348. But 4348 is too low. I think the final TP can be 4356. Yeah, but it we will book our 70% or 80% of the profits at 4370 while keeping the rest of the trade till 4356. We just hit the TP2 again. 4386 have been triggered second time. Uh, do we have any professional price blower who can blow the price to the downside? The price is again coming back. If we have any professional price blower, let me know, guys. Okay, the stop loss at break even got hit for the 4392 entry. Lol. We have pending 4397 now. Thankfully, I have booked very small profits down there, so at least I have some profits from this signal. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Everyone should like the stream. If the price comes to 4398, we can take the second entry. Some people are still holding the 4398 entry point from the previous signal that I shared in both groups. Make sure to like the stream, guys. There are very few number of likes at the moment. Like करो भाई दबा के. The price is still struggling at 4392. If you guys want to re-enter, use very small lots like 0.01 and take the entry at 4392, 4393, anywhere at between these levels. Like very small lots, guys, very small. Who knows, the price can reject from here, but if not, then we still have 4397, 4398 still pending for us. If we take the entry at 4398, our stop loss will be just 50 or 60 pips. So we can take that easily. Oh, sorry guys, I just checked the signal which I have shared in the group. The stop loss is 4405. Lol. The stop loss is 4405. Lol. Let me write the signal here as well because I'm dealing with two signals at the same time. So I think it's better to write the signal, avoiding any kind of confusions. Hmm, 4395. All right. 439695. Here is 4398. The stop is 4405. Everything is written. Hope for the best. 9-6 again. 9-7 taken. Guys, wait. I am closing my sell trade here. I just saw one bad thing. I'm closing my full sell trade here. Full sell trade close, guys. Full sell close. Will prefer to take a buy. No, I think we can wait. We can wait. Yes, bro. All entries should be closed for the sell side. Because on my other chart, I just saw that the price is rejected from the fair value gap, and the rejection on the 5 minute time frame and 1 minute time frame is big. So that's why I think we should close our sell position fully at this moment, and I think we can look for the buy trades. It's better to look for buy trade, I think. From 4392, I can consider buy trade. The exact same point from where we have taken the sell trade, from that level, I can prefer to take a buy trade. Seems like the price can go higher. But to be honest, mm, we can wait a bit. It is better to wait a bit rather than taking the rush entries. There is a lot of confusion in the market, guys. At this moment, there is a lot of confusion in the market. We have two mixed sign. We have selling sign as well. We have buy setup as well here. So I think we should wait. The price can go to either side, and I am a bit confused due to this momentum. There are both signs available in the market, the selling and buying pressure, both at the same time. Seems like a tug of war. I always prefer sniper entries, and at this moment, when I analyze the market, it is difficult to get a sniper entry for either sell side or either buy side. 8 p.m. Why, bro? What is that? For clear move in this confused zone. Yes, I think we should wait. Price is confused right now. We can still look for buy entry at 4390 or 92 levels, but seems risky. And also, it seems it is difficult to get a sniper entry at 439092 levels. But yeah, we need to wait for a while. If we can get the entry at 4390 and it gives the good reaction, then we can hold that. Otherwise, we will close in minor loss or at the break-even point. This is what I'm thinking at the moment. Let me know about your opinion, guys, in the comment section. I would love to hear your opinion in the comment section. Damn, seems to be a big move. 92. Opinion for what should we do? Either we take a buy or continue our sell because the price is again at 4399. No, I don't think so. Lol. The price has break 4398 area. If the price closes above 4398 area on the 1 minute time frame candle, then yeah, definitely sell is invalid. I think I should have taken the buy trade at 4392 lol. I was saying, but yeah, I was pretty confused at that moment because I was seeing both of the signs, the selling sign and the buy sign at the same time. So it is better to avoid trading at in such situations. Okay, the 1 minute time frame candle has been closed above 4397 and 98 area. That means the selling is invalid for now completely. The price will push higher. It is better to avoid any unnecessary trades randomly because I was seeing both of the signs, the selling and buying signs at the same time. So it is better. Yeah. Oh, nice. The government, we have made some decent profits. Double 40. The momentum is strange at the moment. Krishna, no, bro. I will start the executing the trades on my copy trading account from Monday. At the moment, during this week, I'm just taking the registrations. Tomorrow we have medium impact news. So I think tomorrow we can find some good entries. Now you can understand why I was avoiding taking any kind of entry. The first candle is bullish candle. The second candle is bearish candle. Both are engulfing and have taken the I have made the inverse fair value gap right now at this moment. So that was the reason. It was pretty risky to take the entry. If we have put our entry at 4392, the stop loss at break even must have been taken. So there is no point in holding the trade. And if we have taken the 44402 entry, to be honest, I was not sure about that. But this is some kind of aggressive manipulation at this moment. Like the stream, guys. Make sure to like the stream. On 5 minute time frame, there is aggressive pullback. Yeah, bro, Krishna. I will not do news trading on copy account. Never, bro. It is very risky. I will just take normal setups on my copy trading account. I think I am alone here now. Anyone still here or not? The price is very slow at the moment. Okay, Indian government DS styles both are here. Nisar is also here. Yeah, DS styles. I'm just thinking that why price is so slow. We have the news, but okay, so many people are here. The cut is here. Noor bro is here. Nisar is here. DS styles, I will see your DM after the live stream. I'm just thinking that why the price action is slow. Oh, nice. Pao is here. Krishna is here. Yeah, very slow, brother. Price action is strange at the moment. I think the price is deciding where it wants to go. As we can see, it is taking the stop losses. First time, it takes the stop loss at this level. For the very first time, at the time of news, the price takes the stop loss at at this level. Then the price takes stop losses of people at this level. Then in next candle, it takes stop losses of the buyers with this candle. Now I don't know till when the price keep taking the stop losses. It is just taking the stop losses, Krishna. We can wait for a while till the prices cool down because I think the final direction and the final move of the price will be triggered after 1 hour, I think. For the next few candles, it seems like the price will go like this till this level at 4386. Then it will go again up to 4394, 4393. Then again a little bit down. Then again up. Take this full supply zone. Then again down to 4384 and this level 4381. Then again up. So this is what I am thinking the price can do right now. The final direction will be started after 1 hour, I think. Okay, guys, we can take a small scalp. For it is not a scalp. It is a very tight risk trade. We are just going to risk 40 pips. We are going to take entry at 4386 or 87. You can do anywhere between this 4386 or 87. And our stop loss will be 4381. Whereas the take profit levels I will mark later on. Preferably, I will wait for 4386 entry if it comes. Lol, it comes. I'm just going to take 40 pips of risk. 4386 to 4381. It is 50 pips actually. So 50 pips is nothing in front of our signals. So prefer to take the entry at 4386. Okay, I entered at 4386. The stop loss is 4381. Let's go for the best. 386. Take profit levels are 4389, 43. ट्रेड लेना है ब्रदर. ऑरेंज ब्रो ट्रेड ले लिया है 4386 पे ले लिया है 4391. राइट रिस्क है तो लॉट साइज जो है वो अपना हिसाब से एडजस्ट करना क्योंकि कुछ भी दिखाया जा सकता है ब्रदर और कुछ भी हो सकता है ब्रदर. PP 4392, 4389, 4392, 4395, 4398, 4410, 44. Levels are given, only 50 pips is the risk. So if the stop loss hit, we lose almost nothing. My entry is triggered at 4386. Hope for the best now. Okay, we just hit the TP1. We just grab TP1. Let's see if the price can go to the higher levels. All gives a big wick to the downside. The price action is still very risky, very difficult. Oh, come on. It hit the stop loss. Anyways, no problem. That's why I have used very tight risk here. 50 pips have been gone. It's almost second stop loss of the week, I think, or probably the first stop loss of the week. The price action is still very strange. You can see on 5 minute time frame the price is leaving big wicks on both of the sides. Yes, it is the first stop loss of this week. Only 50 pips, so nothing to worry about. It was the first stop loss of the week to worry about. We can wait. Perfect, Krishna. We can wait for new entries. Very manipulative price action at the moment. We should have holded our sell trade, lol. Damn. If we have holded our sell trade, it would be 200 pips, lol. Damn, bro, it is falling hard. Oh, come on, guys. It's falling really very hard. Sometimes this happens too. Sometimes waiting is better. Damn. Yeah, 4375 from our 4398 entry. Damn. Oh, what a big waterfall. Like it is more than 200 pips. Yes, Krishna. Our sell signal was actually the right side of the market, but it is what it is. I actually become confused at this moment when the price makes a bullish momentum here. I thought the price can break the supply zone now. That's why I avoided to take the re-entry at 4398. But now watching my first signal of sell side, the selling signal which like I was saying that the price can go down, and I was damn sure about that. But watching this bullish engulfing candles, I got pretty confused. Now I am what can I say, bro? I'm just worried why I closed the trade, why I canceled the 4398 entry point. It is almost 250 pips of move. Damn. If the price comes to 4385, I can try a sell again. If the price comes to 4385, I can try a sell. The take profits can be 4385 will be entry. A sell will be 4394. I will prefer small lots. Guys, prefer small lots here. Did our entry taken? Yes, bro, everyone can enter. Yeah, I just shared the TP's level in the group as well. Yes, Indian government, only one entry. Oh, come on. The price did not hit 4385. Actually, it hit 4384. From mode 4384, the price rejected to 4376, which is 80 pips. This again, I just saw the price did not hit 43885. All. Okay, I just opened very small lots according to my balance at 4382. So the limit order still ongoing at 4385. According to my balance, the smallest lot which is actually smallest for me is 0.3. So I am with that. But I prefer you guys to take the entry at 4385. If your balance allows you, then you can take the entry with me at 4382 as well. But yeah, the plan is in front of you. Okay, nice drop from 4382. Price is dropping nicely from 4382. Is hitting 4376 at the moment. Okay, we have one, two, and three TPs. Sorry, the first entry was at 4382, which is the first TP. So I will count first TP at 79, then the second TP at 76. वालेकुम अस्सलाम टॉम भाई, फुरकान भाई, कैसे हो ब्रदर? Let's hope. I think this time the price can go to the bottom, which is 4355. Go for the best. Previously, we missed very big entry at 4398. Was 200 pips, sorry, 250 pips of move. Even though we are in a trade at that moment, but it was my mistake that I closed that position at break even. But yeah, part of game, no problem at all. But to be honest, it was 250 pips. It is dropping again. TB2, I think, has been taken. No, not yet. But previously, the TP2 have been taken at 4376. I hope this time it can give good profits. Hope for the best. TP2 again. 4375. Okay, TP3 have been taken. Nice drop. Very nice drop. And TP3 for this one. Perfect. 4372. Perfect. Nice drop, guys. Thanks a lot. Tom Voltra, thanks a lot, Furkan bhai. This means a lot to me. Finally, a good move after a whole day. Finally. Then we have TP 774737. Nice drop again. 7170 has been triggered. Nice. Limit did not trigger. Yes, 4385 limit did not trigger, but I dropped a comment, dropped a message that I'm taking the entry at 4382. But yeah, definitely, very few people I think have taken the trade at that level. Oops, walked away. The price is rejecting from 4370. 4385 valid. Not yet, bro. 4385 is invalid now. 4385 is invalid now. Perfect. No, bro. Perfect. Yes, you guys can delete 4385. I have the stop at break even for my 4382 entry, and I booked partials at 437071. And congratulations, Noor, bro. You are the, I think, only one who are holding the trade with me. Yes, Noor, bro. Same here, bro. All trades hit the stop at break even, and this was just a mishap with us. This one, if we were holding this trade, it would be 250 pips and would be enough for the day. But it is what it is. Part of game, bro. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Yeah, bro. At least we have a good trade at the end of the day. So it is all good. Don't need to worry about anything. We have the stop at break even, so we're all good. I will be back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back, and price has taken 4366, is nice level, which means we have uh what level? Okay, guys, I am ending the stream for today. It was a nice session. At least we have a signal. Just cover up our previous stop loss and give us some good profits. So overall, we are good for the day. If I find more entries, I will share in the group. Don't worry about that. Make sure to share the community with your friends and fellow traders. See you guys later. Yep. Thanks a lot, brother. No, bro. Thanks a lot. See you again very soon.